Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page or give access, certain access or specific access to your to anyone on Facebook page. So what you have to do, just click on your profile and go switch to that page on which you want to add admin. Okay, now click on it and now I'm going to switch, and here you have to go on your profile. Okay, now here you will see professional dashboard option and setting options. Now just click on this setting option, and here you will see new page experience option. Just click on it, and first option is page access. So now I want to give anyone an access. You will get two options: add new here and add new here. So if you want to add and task access, if you want to give a task access to anyone, you can click on it, and if you want to hold control to anyone, just click on this one. So I want to add a task access to a friend, so now we have to click on it and click on next. Here you have to search that person. Okay, now click on here, and now you have to choose which task you want to give that person. So I want to give this content creation, manage and delete post, and also community activity. Okay, like review, respond to comments, remove unwanted comments and report activity. So and also add, create ads, manage and delete ads for the page. And now you have to click on give access. Now here you have to enter your password, and after entering the password, you have to just confirm and the invitation sent to that person, and in 31 days that person should accept the invitation, and he will control all the tasks you have given. So like this you can add admin to your Facebook friends. So if you like this video on Facebook page, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.